This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide Quick Add on Snapchat. First, understand that Quick Add uses your phone's contacts and mutual friends to suggest connections. This feature is designed to help you grow your friend list, but sometimes you might prefer more privacy. We'll walk through the simple steps to adjust your settings, ensuring your profile isn't visible to everyone. This gives you greater control over who can find and add you on the platform. Quick Add is Snapchat's way of helping you discover new connections. It suggests people you might know, often because you share mutual friends or have their contact information in your phone. While it's great for expanding your social circle, some users prefer to manage their visibility more closely. Understanding how this feature works is the first step to taking control of your privacy settings on the app. To hide your profile from Quick Add, start by opening the Snapchat app. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll down to the Privacy Controls section and select See Me in Quick Add. Simply uncheck or toggle off this option. It may take up to 72 hours for this change to fully take effect. Beyond Quick Add, consider reviewing other privacy settings like who can contact me and who can view my story to further control your interactions. You can also disable contact syncing in your settings to limit how Snapchat uses your phone's contacts for suggestions. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Taking these steps helps ensure a more private and personalized Snapchat experience, giving you peace of mind while you connect with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.